guys, Heather here from the Sewing Loft, and today I'm working on my Heartland Heritage blocks. Even though my unit is really simple, I've got an easy tip that's going to help bring your pieces from the cutting table to the workspace. So I really like these design boards. They're made of foam core, have a covering on the top that is felt based, even some of them are flannel, and the fabric, you can just put it on here and you can see just how easy it is that the fabric doesn't fall. It really grips it and keeps it all in place. Now for anyone with little fur babies like me, remember I have 2 Frenchies, it's important to not lose any of these small fabric pieces from the cutting table to the sewing machine, because in my world, my dogs will grab it and they will eat it before I can chase them into the corner to give it to me. So the other thing that I like to do is put my block, kind of lay out all the fabric pieces on here, so that when I go to my sewing machine, I know that I'm sewing them right in order and I don't have to worry about it. And they don't fall. So, and remember, you can lean this up against your wall while you're sewing and you can see the order that you need to work in and you won't make any little mistakes. It's just one thing that I like to use to help me in my everyday stitching. So what do you think? Aren't those design boards great? They're perfect for transporting your cut fabrics from the workstation to the sewing machine. And you can even stand them upright and use them as a vision board while you're sewing. I really use them all the time and think that they're perfect for keeping me on track. Be sure to visit me at the blog and subscribe below for even more everyday sewing tips.